Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust preload suspension. Start by placing the bike on a stable stand and removing weight from the seat, then locate the preload collar on the shock or fork. Loosen the locking ring if present, count the turns, or use the preload scale to set baseline, and make small adjustments while testing sag and ride feel. Retighten locking ring and recheck sag after a short test ride. Before you start, gather a spanner, preload tool, and an accurate sag meter. Warm up the suspension with a short ride, then set tire pressure and rider gear to typical levels. Document current preload settings so you can revert if needed, and work on level ground for consistent results. Take note of subjective comfort and measurable sag after each adjustment to compare changes reliably. Use a helper for accurate measurements when possible. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guides and tips. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers make meal prep tidy and reliable, and they surprisingly fit in most tool bags for greasy hands. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider grabbing a set if organization helps your workshop routine. I appreciate you watching. Now let's get back to the video. Start by measuring sag and recording preload collar position so you have a baseline. Increase preload in small increments like 1/4 turn or 1 mm, then test ride to assess feel and sag changes. If the ride feels harsh, reduce preload slightly. If bottoms frequently, increase preload in similar small steps. Fine-tune by alternating left and right if applicable, then confirm settings after a longer ride and recheck fasteners.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.